guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video. And yeah, I told you guys in my last video that I was supposed to do a gothic glam makeup, but then I wasn't feeling it today. So what I'm gonna do today is a no makeup, no foundation, quick makeup routine. Yeah, for every day. Yeah, so this won't take long. Well, it's really up to you. This will only take like 5 minutes of your time to do this simple everyday no makeup, no foundation makeup. Okay, so what you're gonna be needing is concealer, blush, whatever eye makeup you want, eyeliner or eyeshadow, whichever you want, and lipstick. That is all. Concealer, eye makeup, blush, lipstick. 4. You only need 4 products on your face. Yes, this is really great also for the summertime, because you know the summertime's really hot and heat does not go well with makeup. If you want a ruined skin, then you can go ahead and do that. Be my guest. Like, girl, go. So anywho, let's get it started then. But before that, subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, follow me on Instagram, like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, comment down below whatever you want to comment down, and let's get on to the video. So first we're going to be doing a concealer. What you're going to do is conceal, and make sure your concealer is not that light or is not that light of your shade, because we want a no makeup look, no foundation. Yes, we're not going to use foundations, just concealer. Okay, now that your concealer is ready, we go for the blush. So the type of blush we're gonna do is, yeah, something summery. So that's like a drunk blush looking blush. And then I did tell you that we were only gonna be using 4 products, but then I just wanted to add another item into the pot of soup, and that is a bronzer. Okay, now we go for the eyes. So what I want to do with the eyes is I want to use the same shade of my blush for my eyes, so I'm going to use that. This is why I went with the same color as the blush, because we want to keep it natural. And then we go for our favorite eyeliner. You know me and my eyeliner, I gotta have me some eyeliner. Okay, now that we have the eyeliner ready, let's go in with our lipstick. So this is going to be my lipstick again. It's the Sunny's Face lipstick in the shade Mood. This is actually my nude colored lipstick. Let's put that on. No need for lining. And our look is complete. If you guys want to add a little bit more touches to your no makeup look, no foundation, everyday quick makeup, wow, that was long, feel free, go ahead. This is the exploration station. Explore with your makeup, explore your creativity, because that's what we do, guys. We explore our creativity. So yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my other video yet, my recent video, check it out right here. You know, I'm gonna link it in the description box down below. You can check that out. It's the trending e-girl makeup look. I think I did a pretty good job, you can say that, you know, gosh. And this time guys, in my next video I will do a gothic glam makeup style. I'm going to zhuzh it up, I'm gonna make it my own. I'm gonna get an inspiration. I don't know, I'm gonna look for some inspo and I'll post that inspo in the video and tell you guys how I wanna turn it into my own. Actually, yes, this is all concealer, and then I did the drunk blush, and then I just did my eyes using the same colored blush, and then of course I gotta have my eyeliner and then my nude lipstick. Yes, that is actually all. I didn't do my brows because I want my brows to be looking oh so natural. But if you guys have thinner brows and if you guys want to fill it in, go ahead, you'll fill your brows in, you know. So yeah, this is gonna be my no makeup. This can also be like a summer makeup look, yes, with the drunk blush and all. Do whatever you guys want to do, but this is like the base of the no makeup, no foundation look. So use that base and then you can add your own, you know, toppings to that. Anywho, this is the look, guys. I'll give you a little close-up for it, you know, brush. So yeah. Sorry, I'm looking here because my doggy's here. You guys want to see my doggy? You guys want to see the chicken butt? Yeah. Here's the baby girl biting her booty. Baby girl Maggie, say hi. Say hi, chicken butt. Bye. Oh, you're a pretty little baby. Yes, that is my doggy. Yep, that was my doggy. My doggaroon. Her name is Maggie. Wow. Anywho, guys, so on that note, subscribe, click that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on Instagram because why not? Give this video a nice thumbs up. It'll help your girl a lot, like for real, it'll help her out. Comment also down below what do you guys want to see next besides the gothic glam. Like what do you guys want to see in terms of makeup challenges, because when there is a challenge we make it our own, we explore that challenge, right friends? Right, anywho, so yeah, that's the tea. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.